que te sabía mal. Nos vamos suave,
Can you take with me photo? Yeah. I like your body over there.
Can you?
Come, Marcelo.
Good morning guys, or good afternoon because it's midday. It's so sunny, but Marcelo successfully broke my sunglasses. I don't even have sunglasses because I carried only one pair. It's extremely sunny. Come Marcelo. Baby,
Marcelo.
I want to
say
explain
hi,
why
right?
you broke my sunglasses. Oh, you're scaring me. Look. Marcelo, look here. Look. Say hi.
Marcelo. Hi,
Okay, go away.
Marcelo. Show your cars.
He's playing with his cars, but guys, he just broke my sunglasses and it's so sunny. I have nothing. Maybe I need to buy new ones.
Marcelo.
I hope I'll find something good. Wow, I can't even open my eyes properly. Let me show you outside how sunny it is. Like today, the sun has come to show us how powerful it is. It's shining so bad. My eyes are even smaller now. Like since we came here, today it's the sunniest ever. It has never been this sunny. I don't know how I will survive down there without my sunglasses, but voila.
Somebody took away. That's. I will go there.
But I see two beds with shoes
No,
down there.
no. Where?
Two empty
These are the
ones.
beds in the shadow. The beds in the shadow are our beds.
Down there.
Yeah.
Go with Marcelo. Take Marcelo.
Okay, let me go.
Put on for him his swimming pampers.
Okay. Let me check that.
And I think you should put for him the other shorts because these ones are too big. Yeah, so we took too long and someone took our sunbeds. Wow. Come, Marcelo. Okay, sit.
Marcelo?
Okay, go away, go away. Don't go now. Okay, stand here. I hope the water will not take it away.
No.
Marcelo. Stand, Marcelo, stand. Look at Papa, look at Papa. Look at Papa, Marcelo. They're recording still. Oh,
Marcelo? Mwah, 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 mwah. Look, Marcelo.
a lot of
Marcelo. Marcelo, look to me. Look to me.
The water will just carry him away. Okay, check. The water will carry you away, Marcelo. Oh, I cannot play on my bed yet. I wanted to play facing down. Okay, Marcelo.
Yee, Marcelo.
Can you take with me photo?
Yeah.
I like your body over there.
Can you?
Baby!
Yeah.
Marcelo!
Can you help me with letting fish initially if you are okay?
Yeah,
Do
for
a
me it's
small
totally okay.
collaboration video. Yeah.
Thanks, Marcelo. The sun is too strong.
Okay.
So guys, Marcelo has not eaten anything since morning. So I think he's very hungry. Plus he swam a lot. He swam so much. So now we want to go back to our room so that we can feed him. Normally when we travel, Marcelo does not want to eat at all. Like he just refuses so many food.
Yeah, today,
today.
For breakfast he was extremely fuzzy.
Even yesterday dinner.
Yeah.
So we know when we travel, we normally just have to try to find something that he can eat. He has just been drinking some vanilla milk, some banana milk, some watermelon. Yeah, that's all he eats.
Yeah.
Baby, you want to go and eat?
See you.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
You want to go and eat something, Marcelo? He's exhausted. He swam so much and the sun is just too strong.
Yeah.
I mean, you can show them around.
But we had a good swim. We had a good photo shooting, and we went diving with our friends. So nice beach, honey.
Baby, let's go. You eat something, okay? Come on, come on. So we leave the towel so that no one takes our things.
Yes, honey. You just take your bag and your. We leave the towel. I leave my shoes on the other and my t-shirt or Marcelo's t-shirt. We can take it.
You're hungry, Marcelo? It's a flower. Give Mama. Thank you. So I take Marcelo's shirt.
Yep. Okay, Pepe. Let's go.
Marcelo, wait. Oh, when I tell him to wait, he understands. Come, let's go, come. Give me your hand. Marcelo, you have to walk.
Yes, baby, walk. Yes.
Did you put sunscreen on him?
Yes.
It's so hot, I'm burning.
Yeah, me too.
Come, baby. I'm literally burning my ass. My face, not my ass.
Yeah.
So we can't give Marcelo food and we'll come back to stay.
Yes.
The sun is too strong anyway.
The sun is way too strong.
Yeah. Come, baby, come. Marcelo is so tired. He's barely surviving now. It's okay, baby. We are almost there. We are barefoot.
Yeah. Well.
Let me check his glasses. These are Marcelo's sunglasses. Because he broke mine. Okay, Marcelo.
Marcelo?
What is he dancing?
What are you dancing here?
Yay! Give it, Marcelo.
Marcelo, hop. Hop, baby. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. I think he has sand everywhere. Maybe we should just pour water all over his body.
Yeah, I will. But let me first wash your feet. Wait. Okay. This one is ready. The other one.
Marcelo, don't do that. What What are you doing, Marcelo?
Okay.
Turning off the water.
Yeah.
So Slavi went for a half-day excursion to swim with the sharks, as you can see here, to do some snorkeling, a little bit of diving, basically just to explore life underwater. And for myself, I didn't see a reason to go with him because anything to do with underwater, I cannot. I cannot snorkel, I cannot dive, I'm just too scared. You wouldn't find me swimming with the sharks like this. Never. Not for me. So I didn't go with him. I stayed back with Marcelo, and I'll just show you some videos in a few of the fish and life underwater. Later that day, he went for fishing. This is a video that he took while they were on their way to fish. The sun is setting on the horizon, but the clouds are blocking the view. And normally in Maldives, it gets dark around by 6 o'clock. It's basically dark, so around some 10 minutes to 6 it starts getting dark, and the fishing was from around 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Marcelo had swum so much during the day and he was extremely exhausted. He was just sleeping, so I had to stay behind to take care of Marcelo, because even if he's sleeping, we can't leave him in the hotel room alone. One person has to stay with him. So Slavi went for fishing with the rest. Though I really wanted to try fishing, it's something I've never tried, I've never done it before. I wanted to learn a few tips, but well, I could not manage. But anyway, Slavi went, and luckily enough, he caught some fish. You'll just see in a few.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
So we are about to start. We are preparing the baits. Yeah, soon we start fishing. We have the first fish. Whoa, that's a good one. That's a good one. Ah, bravo. Yeah, bravo, bravo. I think I have a fish too, by the way. Yeah, this is the first fish. Look at it. Not very big, but still, yeah. My first, yeah? Okay, thank you.
No worries.
This is my fish. Look at it. Haha. A big one. A big one. Oh, wow. Hold it. Yeah. This is, yeah. Big fish. This is for Marcelo, for my son. This is for my son. Yay. Okay, we will eat that.
After swimming with the sharks, they went to see the dolphins, and it's so beautiful to see them up close. This is something that I have to do before I leave Maldives. I have to see the dolphins this up close. As long as it has nothing to do with snorkeling and diving, then I'm down for it. But if it has anything to do with going underwater, no, I will not survive.
Look here. No problem, brother. Ooh. Bravo, bro. Come on. Look at this. All of them are cruising in front of us.
Yeah.
Boy.
What a beauty.
Yeah, indeed, man.
What a beauty.
Oh, look at the speed, man. Look at the speed. Oh, I think there is a white dolphin.
It's a big one.
White dolphin. Huh? It's just water.
I think they show their bellies.
They don't show their belly. They just show their back.
Ah,
They don't show their face. They're very shy.
or the side.
They're very shy. Dolphins are very, very shy.
All right, so here is where I booked my trips for swimming with sharks, snorkeling, diving, and visiting the coral garden. Every morning you can see for each of the trips the description, so you know when to be at the reception, when the excursion starts, and begin, and so you know how to prepare for that, and the next day, how to manage the excursion. So usually it's good after every 2 excursions to have a kind of a break,
Yeah.
so you can chill one day and then the excursion. But this is the way they are offered. So I was offered 3 excursions to the snorkeling and diving with turtles. So it was very, very nice. Yeah, the good thing is after getting the equipment there with
Yeah.
life vest and swim fins and all the stuff,
Yeah.
then you go to the port that is very, very close here,
Yeah.
and from the port with the boats go to the.
There's the port. Like that, getting out of the port right now.